After 52 days of lengthy trial testimonies, cross-questioning, and counter-arguments, the defamation lawsuit between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard ended on June 1st. The jurors announced their verdict in favor of Depp, which netted him considerable compensation for damages. However, many viewers of the trial were confused as to whether Amber could face further legal charges and potential imprisonment. Why, you may ask? Well, the Aquaman star lied under oath more than once during her hearings, both in the UK and the US, and was lucky enough not to get caught. Are you ready to witness some of the things she lied about? Well, you're in luck, because we've got just that. Here are the 5 times Amber Heard committed perjury and didn't get caught. Number 1, she lied in Australia. While the legal discourse of the actress in her defamation lawsuit against Depp has ended, she faces perjury charges in Australia. According to local sources, Australia's Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment has reopened the investigation against Amber, who allegedly smuggled 2 dogs into the country in 2015. As per Australian norms, foreign pets must be quarantined for 10 days. However, at the time, Amber Heard did not declare the dogs during the immigration process. Later in the courtroom, she claimed that Depp's former assistant was supposed to have arranged for the canines' entry into the country. These claims were backed by a second assistant, Kevin Murphy. However, Murphy recently revealed that he had lied during his testimony at the time. This cast significant doubt on Amber Heard's honesty during the 2015 trial in the Australian court. If she is found guilty of perjury in the Australian High Court, the Texas native will face a potential sentence of up to 14 years of imprisonment. Number 2, she lied about donating divorce settlement. Amber's misuse of the words donation and pledge angered many viewers of the defamation trial. But did it amount to perjury? Well, legal experts think so. Under cross-examination by Camille Vasquez, Depp's lead attorney, Amber told the court she had donated her $7 million divorce settlement to charitable causes.
$7 million in total was donated to, I split it between the ACLU and Children's Hospital of Los Angeles.
But it was pointed out that she had, in fact, not done that. The actress then said she had pledged to do so and uses those terms interchangeably.
Sitting here today, you have not donated the $7 million, donated, not pledged, donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity.
I use pledge and donation synonymous with one another.
The clip of the exchange went viral, with multiple TikTok videos and Twitter takes being shared across social media. Camille pointed out that Amber still had not donated the $7 million she received from her divorce from Depp to charity. The Justice League star said this was incorrect and that she had pledged the entirety. As the cross-examination of Amber began, Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez received widespread praise across social media for her line of questioning. In 2018, the Texas-born and raised actress appeared on a Dutch talk show called RTL Late Night, where she said $7 million in total was donated. I split it between the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. I wanted nothing, in reference to her divorce settlement with ex-husband Depp. Amber previously claimed multiple times that she had donated the entire divorce settlement to charity, including while under oath in Depp's 2020 libel case in the United Kingdom, but it was all a lie. Number 3, she lied about the makeup brand she used to cover her alleged bruises. Amber was seemingly caught in a lie after her lawyer, Elaine Bredehoft, claimed the actress used a makeup product by Milani Cosmetics to cover up the bruises that Johnny Depp allegedly gave her. The only problem with the claim is that Milani's all-in-one correcting kit was not launched until 2017, as explained by the brand itself. Milani Cosmetics posted a TikTok video explaining that the makeup kit displayed by Amber's lawyer would not have been available before 2017, stressing that the alleged abuse would have occurred anytime from 2012 to 2016. While Amber's attorney did not specifically name Milani Cosmetics in court, she held up the makeup kit and said the actress carried that product every day to hide her bruises. It could be that Elaine was just using the product as an example of the type of makeup her client used, but it's also possible that they were just lying about the abuse. Her other lawyer, Ben Rottenborn, stated she kept the product in her purse at all times to ensure her bruises were never visible to the public. This was what she used, Rottenborn said as she held out the makeup product. She became very adept at it. You're going to hear the testimony from Amber about how she had to mix the different colors for the different days of the bruises as they developed in the different coloring, and how she would use to touch those up to be able to cover those. But as it turns out, all these were lies orchestrated by the actress with the help of her legal team. Number 4, she lied, saying she did not call reporters to take her pictures. A former TMZ employee testified for Johnny Depp offered a scathing response when Amber's lawyer suggested he was looking for his 15 minutes of fame. Morgan Termaine appeared as a witness for the Pirates of the Caribbean actor in the closing stages of the hearing. When Amber's lawyer Elaine Bredehoft suggested Termaine would get his 15 minutes of fame by participating in the televised trial, he replied,
"I'm not seeking any 15 minutes here. Though you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you."
That aside, why was the reporter present in court? Formerly employed as a field assignment manager at TMZ, Termaine testified that he dispatched photographers to the Los Angeles courthouse where Amber was awarded a restraining order against Depp in May 2016. Termaine said TMZ had been tipped off about Amber's appearance at the courthouse, but did not reveal who the source of the verified tip was. Experts believe no one would do that if not Amber herself. The objective was to capture her leaving the courthouse, and she was going to stop and turn to the camera and display the bruise, Termaine told the jury. During his testimony, Termaine said it was very rare for paparazzi to be dispatched to a court unless they received a tip. He added that recording at such a location was not common. The reporter also described the circumstances under which a video of Depp slamming cupboard doors and throwing a wine bottle was leaked to the outlet. He said it was published on TMZ about 15 minutes after receiving it, explaining that copywriting a video can take weeks if the owner's identity is unclear, but a matter of minutes if it comes straight from a known source. That only means one thing: Amber Heard sent it to them. Earlier, the mother of one denied leaking the news of her and Depp's divorce to TMZ. On the 4th day of her testimony, Amber was asked how TMZ knew the location and time of the moment she filed a restraining order against Depp in 2016. Ms. Heard, you testified yesterday that when you left the courthouse after obtaining the domestic violence restraining order against Mr. Depp, you walked out to a sea of paparazzi and cameras, right? Depp's attorney, Camille Vasquez, asked. That's correct, Amber responded. You knew the media was going to be there, didn't you? Camille cross-questioned. No, I did not, the actor said. I assumed since it's a public building, there was that possibility, but I was shocked. But after Termaine's testimony, it became clear that Amber lied to the court. Number 5, she lied about the stairs incident. Amber Heard said she instantly thought of Kate Moss and the stairs when she recounted a fight with Johnny Depp involving her sister Whitney. On the stand during the defamation trial between the two actors, the paranoia actress walked through one of many fights between herself and Depp, this one taking place in March 2015. Amber said she threw a can of Red Bull towards Depp, which struck him in the back, adding that she called him a... She said he became enraged and followed her up a staircase. The actress detailed that Depp grabbed her, at which point her sister Whitney intervened. She threw herself in the line of fire, she said. She was trying to get Johnny to stop. Her back was to the staircase and Johnny swings at her. I don't hesitate and wait. I instantly think of Kate Moss and stairs. She said the thought led her to take action. I, for the first time, hit him square in the face, and he didn't push my sister down the stairs. Up to that point in our relationship, I hadn't even landed one on Johnny, she said. Johnny looked stunned and then laughed at me and then lunges at me again, she added, at which point security staff stepped in between them, according to the actress. But towards the end of the hearing, Whitney's friend and former boss painted the picture differently, confirming that indeed it was Amber who attacked Depp and not the other way around. Jennifer Howell said that Whitney told her she thought Amber was going to Depp. Howell further said Whitney told her that Amber was extremely violent and couldn't understand why Depp was putting up with her abuse. Concerning the staircase incident, Howell clarified, saying, Whitney said when she tried to intervene, Amber nearly pushed her down the stairs. She told me she was worried Amber was going to Johnny. But later, the two sisters changed the whole story, making it look as if Depp was the troublemaker, if indeed he wasn't. Do you think these lies are enough to send Amber behind bars? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more news following the aftermath of this high-profile case. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.